Hi guys, it's Curtis from Cyberpower here. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check all the connections for your RGB fans on your PC and to replace the fan hub if needed.
So if you've got your PC and your RGB fans aren't working, there are a couple of things we can do to check to get them start working. Firstly, what I would do is I would look at the remote and make sure that they're actually switched on from the remote themselves. Sometimes they can find themselves switched off and just need a press of the power button before they work. Then you want to go to the rear end side of the PC where the actual fan hub is located. There's a couple RGB cables here. These are like 4 pins with one missing in the middle, and these just plug straight into the fan hub, which is usually glued onto the power supply. They just plug in, and once they're clicked in, that's the fan connected, and that gives the fans lights. Now, if you've noticed that your fans aren't getting any power or aren't lighting up, now this is probably an issue with the actual power going into the fan hub itself. So you want to follow this wire here towards a Molex connection at the power supply. These are like a fat 4 pin, and what you want to do is just unplug it and reseat this cable. If it doesn't work, try a different Molex header, and that should start getting power back to the fan hub and the fans again. So sometimes you can notice that your fans are lighting up and they aren't spinning. Now this is probably an issue with the actual power going into the fans itself. So what you want to do is you want to follow the 4-pin PWM connector, that looks like so. And you just want to plug this into either the fan splitter, which will be on the rear end of the PC, or plug it into one of the sys fan headers on the motherboard, which are usually 4 pins.